Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a problem with Waze about not giving the accurate location. Well, we're not, it's quite a simple problem to solve. And first of all, you just need to head over to your settings. Oh my god, I just spoiled everything. Wait, I'm sorry. So now you just need to search up permissions because that's what we need to find. But let's say you don't have a searching bar on your settings. Unlucky you. But don't worry, we just need to head down and find the apps segment or the section down here and just click on permissions. Oh, I was too fast. Click on permissions, then click on permissions again, and then let's find location. Just click on location over here and let's find Waze, because Waze is the app with your problem here. Alright, so as you can see, these are the usual settings for Waze. You just need to change that. Click on allow all the time, and sometimes the use precise location switch here would usually be turned off, so you just need to turn that on to make sure that Waze is giving you the proper location, or that your app is giving Waze the proper location for it to work properly. And that is how you fix that problem. It's pretty simple. I hope you like this video. This is Generation Unravel. Like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.